Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add payment method in Temu. First of all, you can open the Temu application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the U icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can now tap on your payment methods, and after this you can add a credit or debit card and put the card information, and after this you can now tap on save, and it is a way you can add payment method on Temu app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.